If you just bought a Tesla and you don't care about all the accessories and aftermarket stuff, please just do me a favor and get this one accessory. All right, welcome back to the channel. Dan here for Tesla. So yes, if you've gotten a brand new Tesla and you're not going to plan on getting any other accessories, please just get this one. And we, of course, are talking about a screen protector. Now, you all have phones. I know you all have phones, and I guarantee you, you're holding your phone in your hand, probably watching it, and your phone in your hand right now probably has a screen protector. If it doesn't, and you're probably, you're crazy. If you don't have a case, you're a psychopath, and I will die on that hill. Your phone has a screen protector, and your car should too. It's a very big screen, and, if it gets damaged, you are looking at about $1,500 plus. That's the last time I checked. I'm sure it's like $1,800 to $2,000 by now. Would you rather pay $2,000 or a $50 screen protector? Your choice. Now, if the thought of perfectly aligning a 15-inch screen protector gives you a bit of anxiety, you're not alone. And that's where Jowua changes the game. They include a brilliant auto alignment frame, which makes the entire process very easy. It takes less than 90 seconds. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and install it, and I'm going to prove to you why this has to be the first upgrade you do to your new Tesla. So this is for the Model 3 and Y. This is for the Juniper and Highland version. So the ones with the rear screen in the back, because you do have two screens. So there's also on the back, you'll see crystal clear and matte. There's two versions. I prefer the matte because it just reduces glare and you're not going to have any shininess, so you can watch movies a lot better. Anyway, so let's go ahead and unbox this. If you've ever put a screen protector on a phone, there's really no surprise. It's no different, except it's just a lot bigger. So like I said, you have a giant screen protector. Now you have the frame already attached to it. So it's one simple step. All you have to do is apply it to the screen, push down on it, and it's applied. So it's really easy. You're going to love this process. So you then have the rear screen, which you don't have a frame for. So we'll see how easy it is to install and see how good I can get it. And then you have the typical screen protector stuff that comes with it. A bunch of wipes and some sticky things, as well as a squeegee and the instructions. So let's go ahead and throw that in the car, and we'll see what it looks like and how easy the process is. First thing we're going to do is we are going to put it in screen clean mode, which I think is in service menu. Let's go display. Screen clean mode. All right, the best part. You have these cleaning wipes and squeegees, but I just took the screen protector off and there's really nothing there other than up here. So basically you're going to pull this back side over here. All you're going to do is take this off. And then we're going to turn around and place it on the screen. So I think it's on like so. And then we're just going to go like that. And you see all the wave. Okay. So now we're going to peel the screen protector off. It's kind of attached to these little things, so you put your finger here, like so. We have the frame off, and then we're going to peel this off. So now we have a lot of bubbles, so we're going to take our squeegee. Let's work these up. All right, so a trick is if you get bubbles in the corners, work them away from the corner and then push them out the side. So there, all good. And that's the easy install. So go ahead, we're going to get the little helper here. Okay. So unfortunately, Jowua does not send a guard or a guide with this back one, so you just kind of measure it. So it's going to go like that. So you need a steady hand. Okay. So this is the back. We're going to peel this off, and then this has to go to the top. Good. Put down. Let me see the bubbles. And then we have a little squeegee. I think I got there's no bubbles. I'm just gonna make sure. All done. So Jowua offers you two options. You have crystal clear, which is like when it comes with the factory, so you have that gloss kind of look, as well as matte. Now, I prefer the matte version because it reduces glare so much and makes it easier to see in bright sunlight, and I find does a better job at reducing the fingerprints as well. Like you can see fingerprints, but all you have to do is give it a good wipe, and they're gone. So you're gonna get rid of these ones down here. So a little bit of wipe and they're gone. Like I said, the glare is really reduced. You don't get that bright sun. Like we're in bright sun, and you can, there's a bit of glare, and you can see it when it's in daylight mode. Like you can see your screen perfectly. Do you want to spend $2,000 on a screen repair or $50 on a screen protector? It's your choice. Easy decision. Now, in fact, on my Model 3 with my Jowua screen protector, the screen protector actually cracked. So it definitely already saved me $1,800 of a costly screen replacement. So definitely I will never have a Tesla without a screen protector, and that screen protector will always be from Jowua because I love the quick install and the look and seamless edge-to-edge protection. And it looks like you can't even tell it's on right now. So if you want to get yourself one of these, head over to jowua-life.com. I will have the link in the description, and use promo code Northern Tesla for 5% off. Now, Jowua does offer some bundles. They have the premium collection as well as the all-in-one collection. Now, the screen protector only comes in the all-in-one, and I highly recommend the all-in-one over the premium because it's missing a few key pieces that you get in the all-in-one, such as the screen protector, which is, like I said, probably the most important accessory or upgrade you're going to do to your Tesla. But other than that, you also get all the floor mats, as well as the front, trunk, sub-trunk, as well as the backseat covers. You also get all the organizers for the armrest, as well as center console, the USB hub, as well as the screen protector, as well as the MagSafe for the back seats, and the lights, a sunshade, as well as the hooks for your front and glove box. So you get tons of stuff. Be sure to look at it. I think it's $750 US, compared to if you're only going to get the mats and the screen protector and the organizers, you're already spending $555 for those. So you might as well upgrade to the all-in-one bundle for $750. Then you get a bunch of other stuff like the sunshade. So have a look at what's in the bundle, see if it's worth it. Because if you are going to get all those things anyways, or close to it, it's definitely a good bundle and you get a lot for the value. All right, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Tons of awesome Tesla content coming your way. So if you don't want to miss it, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, follow me on my socials, all down here. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. In the meantime, drive safe and drive electric. All right, if you like this video, all right. So with the premium for the value. Anyways. With the premium, you only get the. So there's really nothing.